Right now we are inside the building of the School of Business and Economics, in the Franz Palm Lecture Hall to be precise. And what I would like to do here is tell you a little secret that only the econometricians know about. This lecture hall is named after Professor Franz Palm. He's the former dean and a renowned econometrician. When they dedicated this lecture hall, they revealed this piece of art right here. Looks pretty random, doesn't it? But when the light shines on it and you look at it from just the right angle, you can suddenly see the word unpredictable appear. Pretty cool, huh?
It came as a full surprise. I would never have dreamed that this happens. But the more I think about it, I feel very much honored. My work was mainly in time series, developing techniques to study patterns in time series and try to use those patterns to make predictions about the future.
Now, the word unpredictable wasn't chosen randomly. Econometrics and operations research is all about predictions, about being able to distill patterns out of seemingly random information. Econometricians and operational researchers use big data and statistics to test the validity of economic models and formulate new ones. They use big data sets to make predictions about the future or make existing systems run more efficiently. And that's a super useful skill to have because you can apply it to a whole range of problems. You can, for example, use it to improve logistics at a transportation company or calculate the consequences of abandoning the euro. Wait, here's another example.
Did you ever sit in an airplane and wonder why the person next to you with the same amount of leg space and the same onboard lunch paid half the price you did? Econometricians know why. Electronic ticket reservation services register how many tickets are sold each day for each flight. When you raise the price of a ticket on a particular day, you will sell fewer tickets but for a higher price. Techniques from econometrics and operations research help airline operators to fine-tune their strategies so they can maximize revenues. So, if you're going on a trip, buy an early ticket, or, even better, find out for yourself how you can sell an airplane ticket today for twice yesterday's price.
To do all of this, you do need to be good at math, and you have to be interested in economics. Econometrics student Graciela van Hamersveld is pretty excited about this combination and about the rest of the program.
Well, if you can create your own study, so to say, I would have created econometrics because I really like mathematics and like economics. And this study is in English, which is another advantage, I guess. And there's one extra, like a really big advantage, and this is that you go abroad. And so I spent half a year in Australia last year, which was great. It's definitely the best time of my life.
It also helps if you like solving puzzles. Why? Well, program coordinator Andre Berger can tell you more.
Did you know, for example, solving a Sudoku is very much like designing a good match schedule for a sports league? That's what our second-year students have to do in one of their projects. Actually, write a computer program to solve challenging Sudokus.
Ha! Who would have thought my Sudoku skills would come in handy? But wait, the program is not just about games, is it?
But it's not all just about games. For example, our second-year students just in the last 2 weeks had to solve a case to improve the forecast of DHL and to improve their delivery routes.
Ah, good to hear. Now, DHL is only one of the many companies you could end up working for because you can apply your skills to a broad range of problems. The list of possible jobs is virtually endless. And the demand for econometricians exceeds the supply, so finding a job after you graduate will be relatively easy. In fact, most students already have jobs before they leave university. Where you could end up? Well, Graciela is pretty ambitious.
When people ask me what I'm going to do in 5 years, I normally say I'm going to be a CEO of Apple, but I'm not sure yet because there are so many. It's so broad what you can do with econometrics. So you can do something with risk management or finance or consultancy. It's just whatever will take me.
So, are you a problem solver? Do you like economics and math? And are you all about solutions and predictions? Then Econometrics may be just the perfect program for you.